Okay, this one is today and tomorrow, and it started, I think, about an hour ago.
Okay. Hey, yeah, we can set the clock now. Now that we got the battery in there.
It started, I don't know
Yeah.
what time it is. Forgot about that.
Probably close to 9, hey?
That's what I thought. That's why I guessed at an hour.
What's the number we're looking for?
Right there.
Ah, here we go. How did I miss that? Everything's out on the driveway.
I don't know. Oh, they're all dressed. He's got gloves on. Yeah, it's chilly this morning. But, oh, lots of stuff. Let's go.
Okay.
Awesome.
Let's check it out.
Good morning. It's a brisk one.
Trying to catch some sun wherever we
No kidding, hey? Damn you trees. But it's good being one of the first sales, I think.
Yeah.
Because people are just like waiting. Look at that.
Oh, it's a oil lamp.
I think
It's a different looking one.
Yeah. It is sweet. Ooh, careful. It's like kind of pink.
It is, you're right. Or, yeah,
seems
it
like
is.
it is.
Yeah, the bottom. You can see it in the bottom glass.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's 5.
Yeah. I don't know what that's for. Just to...
Don't know.
It's old. Nobody
Yeah.
can fix their Plymouth anymore. 1963.
Auto repair manual.
Wow. Just
Yeah.
generic.
Yeah.
Which that is not a thing anymore.
No.
I don't think.
Just any auto.
Yeah. It's probably basic things.
Yeah. Fill in the headlight fluid and
Yeah, signal light fluid.
things like that. Yeah.
Ooh.
Hey, 2 for $10. That's a great deal.
Yeah. These are they smaller? Maybe not.
I'm gonna get some Huey Lewis in the
Oh,
vlog
they've
here.
got lots of stained glass bits. I have to tell them what we're going to use it for.
Good old Huey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably oh no, I was gonna say it probably had a light in it, but no. Oh, 20 for the spray paint.
Oh yeah.
That's some of them are pretty empty. Oh, it's 50. I see. What's this?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Holy! I didn't know WD-40 came in that.
Wow. It's huge.
Came in a container like that. And this is 25. For
Okay.
That one, so. Okay, well, I'll get some
Okay.
money out.
Yeah. It's the same stuff we used to.
Should I get that too?
Well, I'm kind of surprised you weren't.
Yeah, I think I will.
Yeah, the same stuff we used to
I know.
patina the metal paint on
Yep.
St. Anthony.
Yep.
On Tony.
Yeah,
Hey yo, it's Tony.
and I have quite a bit left, so if I use it on other things.
Yeah. Now you got 2 more.
Yeah. Careful you don't. You want me to hold those while you carry the other thing?
Sure.
Yeah, it was great. Yeah, our kids are all grown and gone. Like our oldest grandson's 15.
Oh, wow.
Did you see that?
So yeah, so we're just.
It's just a liniment.
Yeah, I have that
Okay.
I know quite a few people over there as well. And then
Hi.
Hi.
Mark
How's it going?
Good.
Good.
I think we're ready to pay.
I think so. So I got that and that. 15, yeah. No, that's okay. I did it for you.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Stay warm.
Yes.
Thanks. We didn't look over here.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah,
Thanks.
thank you. Have a good day. Stay warm.
Oh.
It's cute. Filled with perfumed flowers.
Oh.
Oh, is this all free?
No. Oh.
Shelf is 30.
Everything else on the shelf is free.
Oh, I'll
Oh.
get that. Well, that's fun. What's this?
They're foam pineapple rings.
You probably like it.
Eat one.
Fake fruit.
Some Dominoes.
Well, there's lots of free stuff here. Stencils. Oh, mask shelters. I didn't realize that was a thing.
Just in case you were still breathing too good.
Yeah.
With your mask on. Here's something else to
Inhibit.
airflow.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, ready?
I think so. You're gonna have to separate those two.
Yeah.
One in the pocket.
All right.
That's cute.
That's just the tape, right? That's not cracked or anything. Or, no, not the,
No, it's just
not
tape.
that.
Oh.
The glass.
I think it's just tape.
Okay.
Yeah. I was like, what are you talking about? There's tape on two things. So.
I'm talking about the plastic being cracked on the
Well,
bottom.
I thought I wouldn't want that leaking in the truck.
Oh, that's true.
Dingus. Don't be rude.
I'm never rude. I'm a stable genius.
Okay, this one just started, and it's a church sale.
And we're here.
Yay!
I can find my way into the parking lot.
Oh,
I guess you get into it from the other block.
yeah, looks like it.
Go around the block.
Get in there.
Or you can just park right here. Okay,
Okay.
go check it out.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning. Thanks for coming.
Morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hi.
Hello.
Consensus, we should check it 50 or 51.
I think it's
Oh,
a
raffle.
raffle. Yeah, because I was like, I saw a fur thing.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh.
Yeah, we run into those everywhere all of a sudden. Now that I work from home and I don't walk to work anymore. That's crazy.
I know, it's so funny.
Is that Jerry? Oh, wow.
Yeah, and then the drawer. Nope. Yeah, well, it looks like it. Nope. Ah. Both drawers on this thing are decoy.
Both holes, yeah.
What's happening here?
Pull them right off.
I know.
Jerry was asking about this drum set up here. There's some drums on the stage there. So you should walk past and be like, oh, I'm going to buy those drums.
We'll start a band with them. I'll get some spoons.
You going to get the band back together? You going to get the band back together?
Yes, I am. What are you wearing on to now?
I always have.
It's a microphone.
Just a microphone.
Oh, microphone.
Yeah.
A mic.
Jerry.
Yeah. Jerry.
He's so funny.
He's a funny guy.
Yeah.
I was going to drive his girlfriend crazy with those drums.
Yes.
You're going to get kicked out.
No, they'll be in the garage.
I can't get this back in there. There we go. No, I think it's maybe modern. I'm not sure. Look at this one.
Yeah.
This one glows in the dark.
Oh, yeah, there's no doubt. I bet you even under your black light.
I feel it's like it doesn't weigh anything.
You're right. It's going to float away.
Yeah.
You get the black light.
Oh, here's earrings that match that bracelet.
Watch this.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, not as much as I would have thought, but it does have that
Yeah,
glow to it.
it does. We'll look up there and see. Is there anything?
See, I told you should have snagged those drums, and then Jerry'd be like, wait, what are you doing with those?
Yeah. Probably those two. Wonder how much vases are. How do you know?
I'm not seeing a sign. There's Agnes.
Hello, how are you?
Hi again.
Finding any treasures?
Yeah, we're doing not too bad today.
That's a nice little house.
I don't know what the...
The bottom is
Yeah.
a lot fancier on that
Yeah.
than normal.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah, and that one I looked at too, but it has a chip on the bottom. Okay.
Yeah, don't let's hold you up.
Yeah.
Yeah, have a good day. Say hi to Ada for us.
Yeah.
So you said there was a chip in that big one?
Yeah, unfortunately, because it's so nice and tall, but yeah, there's two.
Oh yeah, big chunk, couple chunks out of there.
Yeah.
3 even.
It's so tall. I thought, well, that would be cool, but
I mean, they are on the bottom, but yeah.
no. This one's good. And
That
this
one is
one's
nice.
Iridescent. I don't know if you can tell.
Yes, I can see the iridescent
And this I've never
quality.
seen with that on.
No, me neither.
Now, to try and get this clean.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Nice big picnic basket.
Yeah. That is nice. Yeah, I don't know how much. Okay, I guess we'll find out when we get up there.
Yeah, there's the
or-
pay table
Yeah.
up by the 2 girls sitting there.
I didn't see any other ones that were. This one's kind of older. I think that's cornflower design. Oh, that is glass.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's neat how they do that, eh?
Yeah, it doesn't fall apart
Yeah.
when you pick it up.
Hi. I don't know how much vases are there. It's a table of them over there. Okay.
She's shopping.
He's the carrier.
I'm just waiting patiently. Yeah.
We can make you a deal for the whole glasses on that table.
No, that's very kind.
How much do you want to pay us to take them?
There's a true,
Yeah.
salesman.
Thank you. You too.
Have a good day. Yeah.
Okay, ready?
All right.
Yeah, this one is only on 10 till 3, so I didn't expect there to
Well,
be a lot of stuff.
you can see why. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's not. It's a small one.
Right, but usually, I mean, one day and such a short amount of
It
time.
was nice to run into Jerry
Yeah.
and Agnes.
Yeah.
And you found something good.
Yeah, I think so.
Sorry, what were you gonna say? She's.
So nice.
Oh, she is. She's a doll.
Yeah. Well, at least we found one thing.
Yeah.
Try and wash that up. Yeah, not a huge haul today, but
Yeah.
that's okay.
I mean, there's snow on the ground, so
Yeah, it's cold.
it's not really full on garage sale season yet. We're almost there.
Yeah.
Weeks away. Weeks away.
Yeah.